Maybe that's burned out. I think it's been overheated a little bit. And this is because it's on a 15 amp breaker with 14 gauge wire, and you've got a Christmas tree plugged into it, and you've got all your lights and whatever else is on.
Okay, so I'm not quite clear on why you can't plug a wall heater into the wall.
You can, if that's the only thing that's on that circuit. It is a 1500 watt space heater, oil filled. And so checking out to see what's wrong with it, and comes to find out that it's the automatic shut off, where there's a ball that's in here. If it lays down on its side, it shuts off. So I found out that it was overheating and was ready to burn out completely. So the little coupler broke on it.
So you can only have one wall heater plugged in at one time?
On a particular circuit, if it's a 15 amp. If it's a 20 amp, you may be able to get by with 2 wall heaters on it, but likely you're going to be stuck with just having one.
We are replacing a little part. Can you show me that on the phone? $7.99.
Actually, it's...
Heater tip over switch?
Yep.
Does that mean you shouldn't tip it over?
No, it means it'll shut off if you do tip it over.